Hey everyone, want your car to last 300,000 miles or more? You're in the right place. These aren't expensive secrets, just practical tips anyone can follow to save thousands and keep your car running strong. Think of your car like a patient. With the right care, it'll live a long, healthy life. We'll cover everything from engine care to driving habits, and I've saved the most critical tip for last. If you're serious about making your car last, stick around. Grab a notepad. You'll want to remember this. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more car-saving advice. If you want your engine to last, there's one maintenance task you simply can't ignore: regular oil changes. It's the single most important thing you can do for your engine's health and longevity. Think of oil as the lifeblood of your car. It's what keeps everything running smoothly, mile after mile. Oil circulates through your engine, lubricating moving parts, reducing friction, and carrying away heat and contaminants. Without clean oil, metal grinds against metal, causing wear and tear that can quickly lead to expensive damage. Neglecting oil changes is a recipe for disaster. Old, dirty oil loses its ability to protect your engine, leading to sludge buildup, overheating, and even catastrophic engine failure. Don't just guess when it's time for an oil change. Your owner's manual has the exact interval recommended for your specific vehicle. Following this schedule is crucial, since every car is different. If you drive in tough conditions, like stop-and-go traffic, extreme heat or cold, or lots of short trips, your engine works harder, and your oil breaks down faster. In these cases, you'll need to change your oil more often than the standard interval. Always use the right type and grade of oil for your engine, and don't cut corners with cheap filters. High-quality oil and a premium filter ensure your engine stays protected between changes. Think of it this way: a $70 oil change is a small investment compared to a $4,000 engine replacement. Regular oil changes are one of the most cost-effective ways to avoid major repairs down the road. And don't forget to replace the oil filter every time you change your oil. The filter traps dirt and debris, keeping your oil clean and your engine safe. Using a cheap or worn-out filter can actually do more harm than good, allowing contaminants to circulate and damage your engine's vital parts. Stick to your maintenance schedule, choose quality products, and you'll be well on your way to reaching 300,000 miles or more with your vehicle. A well-lubricated engine runs smoother, quieter, and more efficiently, giving you peace of mind every time you drive. Start with regular oil changes and you're setting your car up for a long, healthy life on the road. Your car needs more than just oil. Coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and more all matter. Each of these fluids plays a crucial role in keeping your vehicle running smoothly and safely. Skimping on quality here can lead to serious problems down the road, even if you don't notice them right away. Think of these fluids as the lifeblood of your car. Without the right ones, your engine, transmission, and brakes can't do their jobs properly. Always use the exact fluids your manufacturer recommends. Car makers spend years testing and engineering their vehicles, and they specify certain fluids for a reason. Using the right type and grade ensures your car performs as designed and lasts longer. The wrong fluid can destroy expensive parts. It might seem like a small detail, but using the incorrect fluid can cause corrosion, overheating, or even total failure of major components. Repairs from these mistakes can cost thousands. Don't fall for universal fluids. Stick to what's specified in your manual. Universal fluids often claim to work for everything, but they rarely meet the exact needs of your specific vehicle. Always double-check your owner's manual and match the specs exactly. The same goes for parts. When it comes to anything critical like your engine, transmission, brakes, or steering, don't gamble with cheap or unknown brands. Use OEM or top-quality aftermarket brands that are trusted and proven. These parts are designed to fit and function perfectly, giving you peace of mind every time you drive. Cheap parts and fluids can lead to breakdowns and costly repairs. Saving a few bucks now might seem smart, but it can leave you stranded or facing a huge repair bill later. Quality parts and fluids are an investment in your car's reliability. Do your research, read reviews, and talk to a trusted mechanic before buying. Don't just go for the lowest price. Look for brands with a reputation for quality and durability. A little homework now can save you a lot of trouble in the future. Spending a little more now saves you from big headaches later. You'll enjoy a smoother, safer ride and avoid the stress of unexpected breakdowns. Your car will thank you with better performance and fewer trips to the shop. Your car is a system. Don't compromise it with subpar components. Quality in, reliability out. Every part and fluid works together, so make sure each one is up to the task. Protect your investment with the right fluids and parts. Treat your car well, and it will reward you with years of dependable service and peace of mind on the road. Oil changes are vital, but following your car's full maintenance schedule is the real key to longevity. While fresh oil keeps your engine running smoothly, it's only one piece of the puzzle. Your car is a complex machine, and every part needs attention at the right time to keep everything working in harmony. Your owner's manual has a roadmap. Follow it. Inside, you'll find a detailed schedule that tells you exactly when to service each component, from brakes to belts to fluids. This guide is designed by the people who built your car, so trust their expertise. Replace timing belts, spark plugs, and filters when recommended. These parts wear out over time, and swapping them out before they fail keeps your engine running efficiently and prevents sudden breakdowns. Don't wait for them to fail. Proactive maintenance is always cheaper and less stressful than emergency repairs on the side of the road. Skipping scheduled maintenance can lead to catastrophic engine damage or expensive repairs. A neglected timing belt or ignored fluid change can turn a simple fix into a major headache, sometimes even requiring a full engine replacement. Fluid flushes, like brake, coolant, and transmission, are just as important. Old fluids break down, lose their effectiveness, and can cause corrosion or internal failures. Keeping fluids fresh protects vital systems and extends your car's life. Think of maintenance as preventative medicine for your car. Just as regular checkups keep you healthy, routine service keeps your vehicle reliable and safe. Yes, big services cost money, but they prevent much bigger bills down the road. Investing in maintenance now means avoiding the shock of a major repair later. Keep records of everything you do. This boosts resale value and proves your car's been cared for. A well-documented service history reassures future buyers and can even help you get a better price when it's time to sell. Don't gamble with your car's future. Ignoring warning lights or putting off maintenance is a risk that rarely pays off. Stick to the schedule and you'll avoid most major problems. Mark your calendar, set reminders, and treat maintenance appointments as non-negotiable. Prevent problems before they start. A little effort now saves you time, money, and stress in the future. That's how you reach 300,000 miles and enjoy every mile along the way. Tire pressure is simple but crucial. Check it monthly. Use the number on your car's door jamb, not the tire's sidewall. Proper inflation means better safety, fuel economy, and longer tire life. Underinflated tires can blow out, overinflated ones lose grip. Even wear saves you money on tires and protects your suspension. A $10 tire gauge and 5 minutes a month can save you hundreds. Don't ignore your tires. They're your car's only contact with the road. Check them cold, keep them at spec, and drive safer and cheaper. Small habit, big payoff. Rust is your car's worst enemy, and it starts with dirt, salt, and grime. Wash your car regularly, including the undercarriage, to prevent rust from taking hold. Wax acts like sunscreen for your paint. Apply it a few times a year to protect against UV, sap, and bird droppings. Clean, protected paint keeps your car looking new and preserves resale value. Don't let neglect eat away at your investment. A little effort now saves you from expensive bodywork later. Make washing and waxing a habit. Your car will thank you for it, inside and out. How you drive matters. Aggressive driving wears out your car fast. Smooth acceleration and gentle braking reduce stress on your engine, transmission, and brakes. Anticipate stops and coast when you can. Save your brakes and fuel. Take corners gently and avoid potholes to protect your suspension. Let your car warm up, especially in winter, before pushing it hard. Mechanical sympathy pays off. Treat your car gently and it'll last longer. Smooth drivers spend less on repairs and gas. It's not about driving slow, it's about driving smart. Every mile you drive gently adds up to years of extra life. Be kind to your car and it'll reward you. Smart habits equal long life. Don't ignore warning lights, noises, or vibrations. Your car is telling you something's wrong. Small issues become big, expensive problems if left unchecked. A $150 sensor today can save you a $1,500 catalytic converter tomorrow. Get a cheap OBD2 scanner to check codes yourself and stay informed. Address brake noises, clunks, or vibrations right away. Don't wait for a breakdown. Fixing problems early prevents chain reactions of damage. Listen to your car and act quickly. Vigilance saves money and keeps you safe. Stay proactive, not reactive. That's the secret to a trouble-free, long-lasting car. Shield your car from sun, rain, and snow whenever possible. Park in a garage or under a carport to prevent UV damage, fading, and cracked interiors. No garage? Use a quality car cover or park in the shade. Protecting your car from the elements preserves paint, rubber seals, and interior materials. Winter weather and road salt accelerate rust. Keep your car covered when you can. Even rain can leave damaging deposits on your paint. Passive protection goes a long way toward long-term preservation. Simple steps, big results. A clean interior isn't just about looks. It prevents wear and boosts resale value. Vacuum regularly to keep grit from wearing down carpets and seats. Wipe down plastics with UV protectant cleaners to prevent fading and cracking. Clean and condition leather seats to keep them soft and crack-free. Spills and trash can damage electronics and cause odors. Clean them up fast. A tidy car is a car you'll want to care for. When it's time to sell, a spotless interior pays off. Don't neglect where you spend your time. Keep it clean. Stay informed about recalls and technical service bulletins, TSBs, for your car. Recalls are fixed for free. Check your VIN on the NHTSA website. TSBs highlight common issues and fixes. Knowing them saves time and money at the shop. Search online forums or ask your dealer about TSBs for your model. Being proactive with recalls and TSBs keeps your car safer and more reliable. Don't pay for repairs that should be free. Knowledge is power. Use it to keep your car running strong. Here's my #1 tip. Find a trustworthy, independent mechanic and build a relationship. A good mechanic is your partner in car longevity, worth every penny. Be proactive, not reactive. Small, consistent care prevents big problems. Any modern car can hit 300,000 miles with the right attention. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more tips and share your high-mileage stories in the comments. Let's help each other keep our cars on the road. See you in the next video.